Çok çamaşırın yarın aşağı. Aram büyüğü. Nasıl saman okey çamaşır yarın aşağı. Long life! Long life! Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet! We want justice in Tibet! We want justice in Tibet! We want justice in Tibet! Stop genocide in Tibet! Stop genocide in Tibet! Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
China lies!
Tibet lies!
China lies!
Tibet lies!
China lies!
Tibet lies!
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to
Tibetans!
Shame on China!
Shame, shame!
Shame on China!
Shame, shame!
Shame on China!
Shame, shame!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Peggy Dapo!
PBE!
Peggy Dapo!
PBE!
Peggy Dapo!
PBE!
Yama Penny!
Pardon!
Yama Penny!
Pardon!
Yama Penny!
Pardon!
여러분치 구슬 치단을 치라봐도!
대마쇼!
여구슬을 붙이 치단을 치라봐도!
대마쇼!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Let the Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet!
Coronavirus!
Made in China!
Coronavirus!
Made in China!
Coronavirus!
Made in Pegelo!
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 Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
In Tibet!
China lies!
Tibet dies!
China lies!
Tibet dies!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
Shame on China!
Shame, shame!
Shame on China!
Shame, shame!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
Stop genocide!
In Tibet!
Stop genocide!
In Tibet!
We want justice!
In Tibet!
We want justice!
In Tibet!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Let the Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
China lies!
Tibet dies!
China lies!
Tibet dies!
China lies!
Tibet dies!
Shame on China!
Shame, shame!
Chinese government!
Shame, shame!
Chinese government!
Shame, shame!
Chinese government!
Shame, shame!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Pegelo!
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 Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama! Return to Tibet! 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 We want justice!
In Tibet!
We want justice!
In Tibet!
We want justice!
In Tibet!
We want justice!
In Tibet!
We want justice!
In Tibet!
Stop the culture genocide!
In Tibet!
Stop the culture genocide!
In Tibet!
Stop the culture genocide!
In Tibet!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
Tibet is burning! 他能不多？报操奴了，研究经，报操奴了，研究经，报操奴了，研究经。你们说老实，老实，报操奴了，研究经。Thank you, Suruna. And a scandal freedom!
Thank you!
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 Tibet! Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
Tibet is burning!
China is lying!
China lies!
Tibet dies!
China lies!
Tibet dies!
Tibet blows you!
Tibetans!
Tibet blows you!
Tibetans!
Shame on China!
Shame!
Shame on China!
Shame!
Shame on China!
Shame!
China out of Tibet now!
Out! Out!
China out of Tibet now!
Out! Out!
China out of Tibet now!
Out! Out!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Chúng tôi về cuộc tập trận Uri Maya trong Switzerland. Now we have a speech by Swiss Tibetan Friendship Association Uri Maya.
Dear friends, on behalf of Swiss Tibetan Friendship Association, it is our honor and pleasure to share words of solidarity with you. 63 years ago in Lhasa on March 10, 1959, the Tibetan people rose up in peaceful protest against the Chinese invasion. As you all know, during the following days and weeks, the so-called Red Army killed more than 80,000 Tibetans who had gathered around Nobulinka, not only to protect His Holiness the Dalai Lama, but also show their protest against the cruelties of the invaders. Around 25,000 Tibetans were detained and over 100,000 Tibetans were forced to flee in exile. Very few of us had believed that now, 63 years later, we see similar cruelties happen again in Ukraine. Once again, a brutal dictator claims the right to invade another country that has not done any harm to its neighbors, but was on its way to develop further into a democratic state. It is shocking and painful to see that this happens again today, not very far from where we live. While nowadays, in a globally networked world, we witness most of these cruelties that happen day by day through media and social networks, Tibet, after the start of the Chinese invasion, was unfortunate to be a region too far away to receive widespread attention or support. Like today in Ukraine, we see again the annexation of a hitherto independent nation, and almost 71 years ago, in May 1959, Tibetans were coerced into signing the so-called 70-point peace agreement under severe threats by the Chinese government. The agreement was supposed to grant Tibet internal cultural and religious autonomy, but it was never seriously respected by the Chinese leadership. China conquered Tibet step by step, but it never conquered the hearts of the people who remained attached to their faith and their leader, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Neither the so-called economic development nor investments in infrastructure, of which the party and the state boast now, can outweigh the human rights violations that were faced by the Tibetan people and are faced still today. Mass resettlement from the Chinese heartland, exacerbated by the construction of the railroad to Lhasa, the plundering of Tibetan resources, the ornamentation and destruction of religious sites, the forced relocation of nomads, the suppression of the Tibetan language, and its forced removal from everyday life, and teaching and the promotion of mass tourism marginalize the Tibetan people and threaten the genuine culture. In fact, during the past months, we have seen a dramatic acceleration of the suppression of religion, while it was first the partial destruction of the Buddhist academies of Laronga and Yachinga, with mass expulsion of monks and nuns, and many of them were forced into so-called re-education campaigns. Now, very recently, we have to witness again the destruction of a Buddha statue in Draco, the partial demolition of its monastery, and detention of numerous Tibetans, many of them simply because they were possessing photos of the same statue on their smartphones, or for having spread this news into other countries. We see also the closure and demolition of Tibetan schools, the forcing of school children into boarding schools, and thus they are separated from their parents and from their culture. And last fall we saw the nomination of a new president of the Communist Party in Tibet, Wang Ducheng, was transferred from East Turkestan to Tibet. He finds himself on the global sanction list of several other countries for his responsibility for human rights violations in East Turkestan. His goal is obvious: to destroy Tibetan language, Tibetan culture, Tibetan religion, and its identity. In spite of Tibet being ranked as the least free country in the world, together with Syria and South Sudan, genuine news from the tense situation in Tibet evade China's censorship day by day today and reach the world. And this gives us hope. And we share this in solidarity with the suffering people of Ukraine. It is the fact that over 70 years of repression and destruction were not able to erase Tibetan identity and the peaceful struggle for the vision of a free, independent and democratic Tibet. May this be a lesson for all dictators who hope that peaceful struggle will end. It will never end, it will never die. And with this, we declare our heartfelt solidarity with the people of Ukraine. It is reminiscent of the brutal occupation of Tibet, what happens in Ukraine today. And we trust that the ongoing and unbroken peaceful struggle of the Tibetan people, in spite of over 70 years of repression, gives them a flame of hope. With these words, I thank you and wish you all our solidarity.
Sudah itu sudah kita ini mau coba tu cina. Ani kuch tu kamu jual ni mahu jadi. Shusha sama na ani dini ya perlu na sama yang tu rulu jadi zombie na tadi di mana sih shua perlu na deh. Macam tadi ni ni deh. Sama di kenggi ya deh tangan jadi. Sama kita kenggi sama yang tu nyampu jadi. Cuma ni deh sama aji. Tu tu mana? Hal saya di pen nyampu tu tak jadi dua sama. Jadi ni macam. तुझे मैं युवा मारे तुझे किस मंदिर युवा मारे कुछ थालो थोड़ा शारों ना शुरू माशू जंगल से बेबी सब कुछ इन्हें बाजार चुना सुनशे मांगो Thank you, Mr. Uyemala. Now we have a speech by Alias Pasha, Green representative of City of Lausanne. Mr. Alias Pasha.
Chers amis, liebe Freundinnen und Freunde, dear friends, merci pour l'invitation, merci à toutes et tous pour votre présence, thank you for coming, surtout votre mobilisation aujourd'hui en ce triste anniversaire. Ça vient d'être dit juste avant, il y a 63 ans, les habitantes et habitants de Lhasa se sont soulevés contre l'occupant chinois, 10 ans après l'invasion du Tibet par l'armée chinoise. Nous savons ce qui a suivi, répression, exil du Dalai Lama et de dizaines de milliers de Tibétanes et de Tibétains, destruction des monastères et arrestation des moines. La politique chinoise au Tibet consiste en une épuration religieuse et ethnique. Rien que l'impossibilité d'apprendre et de pratiquer la langue tibétaine revient à commettre un génocide culturel. Empêcher un peuple de transmettre sa langue et son histoire, c'est vouloir l'assimiler et l'empêcher d'exister. Il y a un mois, nous étions à Lausanne, devant le CIO et le musée olympique, pour nous opposer à la tenue des JO de Pékin. 1 month ago, we were in Lausanne, where I live, where I'm elected at the parliament, and we were in front of the IOC to protest and to boycott the Olympic Games that were taken place in Pékin. Et voir des centaines de personnes solidaires des Tibétains, mais aussi des Ouïghours, des Mongols, des Taïwanais, des Hongkongais, des Hongkongaises, rassemblés dans ma ville à Lausanne, cela faisait chaud au cœur. On a vu que ces JO n'ont pas été un succès pour la Chine, avec un certain nombre de scandales démocratiques, de scandales environnementaux aussi. Et peut-être dire un mot sur le Tibet et sur l'écologie. En fait, le Tibet, comme la Suisse pour l'Europe, c'est le château d'eau de l'Asie. Vous avez le Mekong, vous avez le fleuve jaune, le Yellow River, le Yangtze, le Brahmaputra, l'Indus et tant d'autres. Tous ces fleuves ont leur source au Tibet et apportent de l'eau potable à des centaines de millions de personnes. Et c'est pour ça aussi qu'en tant qu'écologiste, as a Green Party, il faut défendre l'autodétermination du Tibet et la préservation de son environnement. Ça doit être une priorité écologique pour le monde entier, comme l'Amazonie. La défense du Tibet, empêcher la déforestation, empêcher la destruction du Tibet par l'État chinois doit être une priorité environnementale. Et vous savez, en politique, rien n'est une fatalité. Pendant des années, beaucoup de gens ont dit que la Chine était trop forte, that China was too strong, we couldn't do anything against China. Et maintenant, ce qui se passe en Allemagne, par exemple, ou dans l'Union européenne, principalement par rapport à la situation en Ukraine, montre que c'est possible. We can take sanctions, for example, against Russia when there is a political will, when there is political decision. Et l'exemple très fort, c'est la question de ce qui se passe maintenant en Allemagne, avec le nouveau gouvernement, with the new foreign minister, Annalena Baerbock, from the Green Party, that has decided before the Olympics that no more products coming from the camps, the Uyghur camps in Xinjiang, couldn't be more important to Germany. And that's a very, very, very strong political decision. C'est une décision politique très forte qui a énormément fait réagir le gouvernement chinois, mais qui montre que la politique peut agir. The political parties, the government also here in Switzerland could do a lot. And if you have political will, if you have political strongness, if you have that decision, we can do a lot of change also in Tibet and in China. Et souvent on parle du soft power chinois, about the Chinese soft power. Je vais vous raconter en français et en anglais une petite chose qui s'est passée dans mon canton. I'm from Lausanne, dans le canton de Vaud. Et ce qui est arrivé, je le dirai I will tell it in English after. Ce qui est arrivé il y a quelques années, vous avez une petite ville dans le nord du canton qui a décidé de mettre le drapeau tibétain sur son bâtiment. Et ce qui est arrivé, c'est que l'ambassade de Chine a écrit au gouvernement, a fait réagir le gouvernement du canton de Vaud, qui a écrit une lettre à toutes les communes du canton de Vaud pour leur dire ça c'est pas possible, c'est interdit de mettre le drapeau, vous ne mettez pas le drapeau tibétain parce que ça va créer des problèmes avec la Chine. So we have a small city in Canton Vaud where I live that decided a few years ago to put the Tibetan flag on the city, on the building, on the city council, and then the Chinese embassy, they made a decision and they said to the Swiss government and to the government of Canton Vaud to react, and then the government in Canton Vaud sent a letter to all the cities from the region to say to them, oh, that's complicated, you cannot do that. So that shows that also for China, when there is a small town in a small country like Switzerland, that shows that that soft power is not so strong. When they see a small resistance somewhere, then they feel embarrassed and they feel that their power is not so strong. So I will ask you something really concrete now, because when there is a word, someone talks about something in Tibetan, when you have a flyer, when you have a book, when you have that cultural resistance, that shows something to the Chinese government. So I will tell you maintenant de montrer vos drapeaux. You can zeigen Sie eure Fahnen jetzt oder show up now your Tibetan flags, and to show that for a long time now we can show it to the Chinese government and show it also to the Swiss government here that we will make a lot of resistance and that in a few years everything will change because that Chinese soft power is not so strong. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Alias Pancha. Now we have a slogan. No religious freedom in Tibet. No religion. We want justice in Tibet. We want justice in Tibet. We want justice in Tibet. Stop genocide in Tibet. Stop genocide in Tibet. Tibet is burning. China is lying. Tibet is burning. China is lying. Tibet is burning. China is lying. China lies. People die. China lies. People die. China lies. People die. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Shame on Chinese government. Shame, shame. Shame on Chinese government. Shame, shame. Shame on Chinese government. Shame, shame. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. No human rights in Tibet. No human rights in Tibet. No freedom of speech in Tibet. No freedom of speech in Tibet. No freedom of speech in Tibet. No religious freedom in Tibet. No religious freedom in Tibet. No religious freedom in Tibet.
Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet. Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet. Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet. Hey Jalo, hey Jalo, hey Jalo, hey Jalo, hey Jalo, hey Ji Dakpo, hey Ji Dakpo, hey Ji Dakpo. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Stop the cultural genocide in Tibet. 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 Stop the human 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 genocide in Tibet. Stop the language genocide in Tibet. Stop the language genocide in Tibet. Stop the language genocide in Tibet. Stop the religion genocide in Tibet. Stop the religion genocide in Tibet. Stop the religion genocide in Tibet. Being Tibetan, being Tibetan.
Being Tibetan is not a crime, so not do it.
Being Tibetan,
Not a crime!
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 speaking Tibetan language, speaking Tibetan language,
It's not crime!
speaking Tibetan language,
It's not crime!
speaking Tibetan language.
It's not crime!
Stop the religion genocide.
In Tibet!
Stop the religion genocide.
In Tibet!
Stop the religion genocide.
In Tibet! Stop the human genocide.
In Tibet!
Stop the human genocide.
In Tibet!
Stop the human genocide.
In Tibet!
Stop the human genocide.
In Tibet!
Shame.
China's government!
Shame.
China's government!
Shame.
China's government!
Being Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Being Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Being Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Speaking Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Speaking Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Speaking Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Learning 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 Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Long live
Dalai Lama.
Long live
Dalai Lama.
Long live
Dalai Lama!
Let the Dalai Lama
Return to Tibet!
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 No more killing No more killing
In Tibet!
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 No more torture
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 In Tibet!
Learning Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Learning Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Learning Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Speaking 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 Tibetan
It's not a crime.
Stop the religion genocide
In Tibet.
Stop the religion genocide
In Tibet.
Stop the religion genocide
In Tibet.
Stop the human genocide
In Tibet.
Stop the human genocide
In Tibet.
Shame on Chinese government
Shame.
Shame on Chinese government
Shame.
Shame on Chinese government
Shame.
Tibet is burning
China is lying!
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 Long live
Dalai Lama!
Long live
Dalai Lama!
Long live
Dalai Lama!
Long live
Lama!
Let the Dalai Lama
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama
Return to Tibet!
Begalo 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 Shame on China out Shame China out of Tibet China out China out China out of Tibet out of Tibet China out of Tibet China out of Tibet China out of Tibet China out of Tibet Peje takpo Peje takpo Peje takpo Peje takpo Tibet belongs to Tibetans Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet! Let the Dalai Lama return to Tibet! China out of Tibet now! Out! China out of Tibet now! Out! Shame on Chinese government! Shame on Chinese government! Shame on Chinese government! Stop the killing!
In Tibet.
Stop the killing!
In Tibet.
Stop the torturing!
In Tibet.
Stop the torturing!
In Tibet.
Sala.
As the world is facing an unjustified aggression and crisis in Ukraine, it's not too far to understand what happens when authoritarian government invades a smaller neighboring country. What is happening against the people and government of Ukraine is reminiscent of China's brutal occupation of Tibet. The Tibetan community, Switzerland and Liechtenstein, invites you to cover the mass demonstration to commemorate the 63rd National Uprising Day of Tibetan people on 10th March 2022. On this day, in 1959, thousands of Tibetans stood in unison in defense of Tibetan freedom against aggression of Chinese government. The Chinese government brutally suppressed Tibetan peaceful protesters and killed thousands of Tibetans. Over 1.2 million Tibetans killed. 6,000 monasteries were destroyed, and China continues to persecute Tibetan people, rooting out its rich history, culture, and identity. Tibet remains under military illegal occupation of China. To collectively mourn, remember, and respect all Tibetan martyrs who have sacrificed their life to resist the Chinese aggression, Tibetans and supporters from across the world are making the 63rd Tibetan National Uprising Day on 10th March. Similarly, several hundreds of Tibetans from Switzerland and Liechtenstein will gather to honor the courage and spirit of Tibetan people who continue to live under Chinese oppression, and will also collectively renew Tibetans' commitment to continue to fight against Chinese repression until freedom is restored in Tibet. Despite China's efforts to silence and suppress the voices of Tibetan people, Tibetans have neither never given up nor are going to give up any time. We would remain deeply encouraged by your kind gesture to join and cover the event. Stand in solidarity with people oppressed by the authoritarian regime. Join with Tibetans on March 10 to mark the 63rd Tibetan National Uprising Day. Join us to support peaceful voices in defense of fundamental freedom and human rights. Pay yellow!
Tuchana Denzila, Dijela, Suski Kuza Dunju, Chibrinzi Shone, Sungshe Nangu.
Thank you, Tenzike Sala. Now we have a speech by Kunge Mr. Chimiranzala, representative of Office of Tibet, Geneva.
Any mangas of the coalition the Swiss and Liechtenstein green market for social and announcing the Della and the charge Chalena here, but if you are and they are the Swiss key, you could have a much pressure, teaching me at the time, Shingi Mindula and Samala. Samadang and Dana three, the Mixegi, Mimang, Joso Chempo Chunsha, and Samala, and Jesu Yang Shui, and Dana Shigi, Zerin Digia, Godia Boshivi Chusha, Godi Chumana Shigi, Mimang number 2 gear. Any Kimberley, he is someone Shushu Chesene, Nanson, Tinangue, Chirela, Maranzo Ranjere, Chesam Buga di Chune, Kalishu Chusina, Green Gimo di Chigola, and Shushu Mani Bache, Nazu Green, the Sanji Lambda Cable, Nindala sunju dudingi labuchi gidi manjung boina simbe nangla damja dingi mache banang boyate kichambo re tindu manju nima sharche de sunju dudin ra re manju pepe dingi de denda mase badula ani nima sharche de sunju dudingi ki manju bi kompa shichu dobo dingi shegu re tindu ani chetangi tinde dudingi dewa yugi ki thone tanda kasha ki sungti ngui chana tangi dokjan she gugu wale dhana shi ki ani de pindi ma chitu renso ki tanda ani sungti chi ki jorde wale chasan di yumba indi tanda pato duji ki chani ki kala kansam chi chibu cha desha maze ni tanda di kana phage kasha ki phage kumu rangi phage ani tang chi tu chokso kumu gi phage dharamsala du sini yanda khasure kalu chazang do jana chabe indi tilingsan raja gi dizu yimba indi injo yabar do sero na shuai ene kaja gi sungren dang ben ma chi tu injo gi sungre ni ti nang zo tenju primi ti zu gi 아니 첩시기 랑조 가리 이미디 가라 단상 찍기 디나라 차장하지 와래 자기 와래 제자 아니 주로 베비기 무수 가르샤 단다기 무수 가르샤 마우비 가르치마레샤 디기기 첩시기 랑 내가 친구 쉬지래 제장비 인바인디 여벌도 가게 생거 나 쉬어이 제장에 도마들이야 돼 디 아니고 jalam sundu chi yimbaindi tene kasha ge sundu inji de paje lo na asini jalo shuna asi tembare tine ge dinge chi tangbo ye duzi ji ka ni te be ni pise ka ma chonga ni shu ji cha do chezan sa na ba sama da de shang ni shu bare chezan ko ni sta yo le chezan ni gong du shu ko ya de bi da ji ge fo ni si ro lans chezan me ba do si gore sti chapsi ge lam ne re shu ai ta me ani khar shu gore ya Kashaki Maranzo Pigi Sundio Nandi Nindi Chita Karesha Nidu Cinema Shugi Chazanduchi Chachi Sene Any number 2 Jam Devala any Maranzo Chiki Chijang Yoveche any Manasuki machine doing by Napasu Tishika where the Yovena Chichi Sunshine Tigu Kangi the Jesup Chinusha Chigdi, Kasha is Suntrain, Inji de Monte de Mushu, Diju Donati Survey, the any German Gike, Jusha Big Pije, Diju Donati Survey, the get the Chaza del Langado de Samala Tam Tuson, Manju by Namatu Instagram, Jinke or Mare, Chazan the Chaza do Sine, Tambai, Havanashi, any Chiti any Tava any Sunday to do so big do Sene, Chaza and Langado de Latam to Sunshas and Digim by the Yakuchus not thank you. Any numbers of Kentul Vichela, that Suiski Chaponla, and also to be you Jacob Matuchi, did now told you be and the Sunday TV, any German Kelly to Batang, any Czech Kelly to Batang, any Italy Kelly Jude, and to Chapu Shivichi, a time to go to Nuela, any San Sosu Soda Sene, come to the Sene, the Manazo Ankara Casivore, Gaji Tone, to that legacy we repetitive, Chazan Machu Chene, Checo Junior Sene, and is Shuani. Panashing the living villa and a check lying by a big yada, Lota Tang, and a Tongdelibu believe Peche Gejas Peche Geja Bujas, Lota operation to Jeta to Chibuare. This one to be the house of the time in which Chesha will be married, and that the any Dimatsene Taran Shoge, anyone to Pagi Taran Sala and Pagi Suji couldn't so the check. So, social party or Rangi, check any Senate Korangi, any building the Unagi, and the Jetta sitting here, Sinisona, so he power to sin and the viewer, says on the Chigre, and then she be German in Bern, Tanda parts with the she will cut the lap, Jetta she just consider any potato to viewer, session, do Sinicate, and the Swiss lady by no boat and that and the Korangi Suman and she did Jetta she shared to developing Chesine, to see the Proton of which Pecha Shavena. Resident but so that on the Shubanashi, you must have said them answer that soon to be chatty or rest, you told the Jessa, no, do see me. The Sunday Rangi told the Nalanandi temperature sugar enough. Any Kashak is Sunday knowledge, yet a compare Chasanta sugar is a madle. With the Namya, Janak Sashi Chaya Mares. Chibichitu Kudia, Machu, Machi, Lola, Chi, the Chinchuki, and Santa Abasovere, one with Tony Sai Maja Batula, Santa Machu Batula, with the Naman Janak Sashi Mares. Cesar, the getting unto Tapu Chibi Capilla, and you call Mumbai the Ship where the Negashimoji, Chelsea Tony. Any down I think any Kasore Janagi, any Chinchiko, the ship Shibuni, Machuma, Batula, Perla, Missy Taujo to June, Narju Seligabiti, June, any possession, Dig Dimindilla. Any Mansu Rugi, Richard some Sachi di Saya Nida, any Pumasi, Sachi kilometer, Chachi, Dushima, the district Chadiare, the Jana gets in Jubare, the name Manaso to me, Choga some Yermegatone, Chibum and Posasaya Chigna. You should see any Mr. Mangochi, any changes, Chimbatan, Serbatan, back under the Mr. Mangochi, Junior, just on the day June, Tandabadu, Manaso, Kasuria, Nizam Sigmare, any Gumba, Toton, Mangodo, Sintoshi Tang, any Purigi. So the Chigi and Goba, Nangi, Senji, Sama, Peche, Homanda, which is Sweden, indicated down to Chimbuchi, Yoba, and Ye, Rumi, Fernangi, Yobigi, and also Ripinda de Zogi, Senju Chunikura, and Chatuki Homare Chanaki. Chesan Kanju Kachu to Cheva and Dil Domin any cooler was Pubi to Jadama to Mangani, Nisha Tandate, Chanovo, Bello Chudure, and the Pudi Misutan, the Jami, Senu Latoni Chivi Marco, going to some Gashi, so the Tokyo Tamsun Mandi, but so the Kabur Mandi by Chesene. And then Nami Mandi by Chesene, so any TV, Pombo, choose a time of the Chavi Mare, says and the invented Igilla, so Naranzo, the which is Ubina, come children to two by Vina, Atata, Session, HDV, Pulimus, Chumbichi, Kabila, Mr. Ramshani, Ransom Media, so much Tamba. Because have maybe anyone. Power young the child in the Tamanaso, we should be and to be carrying by the century, you ever did any truth, anyone could meet you, Chevrolet, any music comes up, Lord, and put serum with their vision, have to June from the Chevrolet, any guest in the station, and so we have a Nashi. Tigiti, never go to Tampa Bindi mana chini jun lungu tsoga shu chini ani nganzo bindi tabzi ki tarchiwa chini nanguya ki gin chabu wale shezan bindi imba ingi ta jana ki siju ki thawne lo dhukji resum patu pipi di tsami suya ki tabshi tang bare de pipi di dumbi chene re unu ki lune re ani beko khari chene ge pipi gi simshu re pipi gi nitu re digi di chunu mangda ditu gi neba indi ta jana ge digi nyamshi chebe kala tsawa kawa thugi durus pipi digi di digi gi simshu cheya ge kawa thugi durus chebe kala junzi ke dang ki dang nigi namchu tang rikshun tila tu diyo re chezan di imbayi tu palam ne ta jami ge ta kantar baas ne re namchu khaso re brain sungsa tabu di kei la sungu re kei di yuwa tanya la ta de rivish bichag re thalam nazu ke thone cheya ge se ne ta dun ki tanda chebe karna pe nang ki Ripinda digi di sangwa go susu di ke nang rishu tola tanzi shuk chingwa cheya ge di cha yungu ta di yungu minggu se zene ta kantan shungi lega chene ge eni pipi di ki dipinda mega sui eni khari cheba ine ge eni ko mega sui shaba indi nangba digi thap mangu chigi chwe me manju pipi di eki ibi mega sui ta dungi la ki mega indi 다음에 송한테 프리스쿨 시기도 라바 만도 코네 간주 집에 충주 들리게 갑더니랑 아니 게이 비자메 수리 내가 수리 디 탑시 제디기 요번지 다 대소 시주 할 레벨이 다 람도 침바이나 먼저 마음 비비 비미 자메 도에기 아니 내가 내가 투고 하래 가이스나 토마란 보고 다 먼저 때 차샤베는 디메 때 샤사데 직전에 노동을 먼저 내가 인다이나 tanda mirat imba yebe kabla mirat imba khara bansam je manso to digi di pindi jam shata ta suru arwa je sanda to go di shita digi di ani chija gila la tang ke di karsena to go di ke di la te go ke di machine bana ko to go yo mare je sanda di imba di sobat lagu chi ki bena la cha chi baina ani dini sone ani di tang manso di su lagu chi di de nam na to ani namshi de kaban nashi de tu mare chezan di imbayi de jana nisi de di jitte yore an ta namshi de ro ge ne chutu padola ani nechu gi manga chuya na pogo ani lobjong ge ani into ti jana ite de juge ge lobjong te ya na di tanda ni gochu de yo ba ni di ani niba tola choda rishu de ge chempo imbi ge chi di ani unda de tugu yansi ngujin cheya digi tugu yansi ngujin cheya de ani jana shungi di rangla ani ko ka sa shuk shibi ji chene ani tanda pinje muji ko gama tong de chela tong de sene ta kan ta tu sene tong de mo lo jirba ka sun chen ta kan ta de kan ji sene tong de gi di ni se ko sikhe mare di imba tini ani ko penjin buji shabaji jana rangi ani damshawi ki penjin buji ti khawan do bare ne ki jana rangi bejo ta chi che ani naw be ye ani jo maran so rangi la jin bi tam ba ne ki khorang bejo ta ne ani manzo chhe chami suye ki tini chami chi ba na ani be de je maran so ni bo shu ba na shi re ani di tachi cha di re di bandu di de ngan di si ge mana so ge chawa di cha di re di chi de an mana so di mana di si ge ma ba ya bu chi shi re chi su ni de tamba so 다 맞아 계속 붙여도 되게 지금 스페시 이슈 뭐라지 바과 다만 좀 모든 이슈를 이슈에 저 다른 게 개비 되는 낭시 제세네 먼저 로직 나라 김비 거기 지니발에 김비 당 숨지게 도주되어래 아니 직 숨지게 되는데 아니 갑갑라 아니 이 많이 되게 또 되는 내당 자다당 아니 비디기 줄라 딱 뛰지니 김비 지시되어래 이부갑라 아니 네팔도 넘버 2 드림 해버나시 드림을 파스인데 고에 먼저 계지 동진 차리도 세상이 있는데 되게 나로 제시는需要이 아니 다 넘어서 그 TCSL 디추요래 아니 자위도 되게 드림이 이게 야고스타 중송 세상들이 중벌에 세네 디글라 마다체네 가도 이는 먼저 고야 비즈카라 야고 요야데 고디 슈니 디기 야고 요야데 제가 말 고디 슈니 디기 페로 나무 신천솔라 아니 나파솔라 zerim tamyache ani digital pero na share ani yapo number so do sini demand to chashi plan pe ba na yapo chami yore tini ni imba de chandu nyumdi nana so sami garan do ram te chia dila tani su mune rang to ita khalso re ne su de rang do ram te chia ne tuju chacha nara so nangula hasu shire tuya de no tang 여러분 이제 아니 뭔가 맛이 이슈 자고 숨지 상황이 되다가 지금 우리가 굉장히 도로 들어가라 아니 먼저 돈이 소소게 좌우기 아니 좌우기 파지 샤네 뭔고 지금 동시에 해야 돼 아니 제가 같이 아니 남그 말하자 아니 거기서 초가 출루기 아니 그 마틴 버치야 같이 한다는 시기 말아서 샤주 인베기 나와듯이 아니 이 치제갑기 아니 도당당 콘주기 아니 제갑 란지 여러분 시기 기초지 별로지 우리 대학에 두지 아니 말에 있지는 부지 된다고 까나요 세상이 이바인데 먼저 디게 오늘 나라서 같이 제배나 미치지게 생이지게 가족이 말이 그래서 그때 잡식게 아니 그게 아니 된달라서 지어다 이런 탑수 시야데 미럽지도 말에 저거지도 된다래 세상이 이바인데라 참여기 저들이 제일 송가지도 세세네 먼저 그 기부였지 이게 정보를 했잖아요. 이게 수비죠. 근데 나시 나랑서 이제 그거데 초치네 할 내기 게 미릭션다 만도 여러분 저 같이 있는 순간에 먼저 전전하는 만도 그것에 미리나는 만도 먼저 추기 생각나 내 준비기 아니게 토라 아니 그 숨지 진이 이게 치마지니 미리 할 레비기 아니면 좀 자친구 지리시네 우리기 가능이래 뒤면서 동도 수반한 신기 연구 처반한 거야지 뭐 사무기 내를 해도 세상이 이반인데 여마 아니 배우 만나서 자나기 원주 맞지는다 아니 가서래 단가 마포하시야지 자나기 같이 디 고가사 디 마부이지게 코란게 가르치 라비어스나 요거들 짜고 가요 말이 셰고야 가요 말이 코란도 난굴라 맨다카시 지tam셔다 코란도 난로라 야비지 시도레스 먼저 재미기 나오는 진고 말이에스 먼저 디가고 중요하다 아는 난로라 맨다 야비지네 고주기 난로는 맨다데 디 맨다데 먼저 난로라 아니 디디가라 쇼와 여러가 디나라테 인디시에다 마오지도게 가르치야 됐으나 그거 이게 차도 정보시 비제에서 그 반디스는 제가 지금 국자 십주 신분인데 나라라 하는 게 시샤가 되죠. 코란도 나라라 차도게 도시네 아니 그 제네 지금 돈도라 판서 상당 투구 말에 세상 디디인데 한테 도스도스는 예 그것에 비해도 해서네 인디 송 코란게 지도가는 양식 계제 시샤베게 그 시샤베게 anda lojina seyong do chesan di yong ba yindi munju ki pecha shaga na tin sige galju yindi do sena ta 다양 배동단이 기존에 무차도 세상은 건축이 누지 디시에 디임바이디 당만주 수수수게 디 관주 시에버데 장보 임바데 덴바 인거예요 말에 이내게 군주의 양을 누구가 되네 비비게 디단라 냠신 컨디션을 슬라베나 갑데세 데주디 슝진이 디게 슝나를 집 만디 버추나 디 아니 자나 라파치니 아니 고개자 디게 아니 타도시네 파기비디레 lumba 강데 자나 라파키니 이게 시에버다 아니 양대 용수 아니 왕자 탑주체네 왕자 탑주체네 쇼베 갑자 양고다 파치니 슈비 파기니 잡다네 디에 근데 임바이티 세상 답이 최선이 먼저 우리 참여가 직진이 이렇게 좀 말해도 왕자 답도 정리 되게 땡땡 정비게 로좀 뭐래 세리래 세상 디임바인데 먼저 다 가리 임바이네 송가 직디 세고야다 도자 직디 세고야다 나라서 저가선 내나는 진행 돌아가는 되게 참여가 센슈때 같이도 나이 바제 소소한 문제가 터네 되게 제고야데 주지 예전부터 했죠. 아니 단답에 차샤베는 먼저 모두 참고된 해 수야데 당고시샤베는 아디 당고랑 준비해서 우리들이 로마가 제가 상대를 그래서 숑도그레 숑레그레 간사 우리 제샤베디 인그레 도그레디 코로코야시베 우리 제비깔라 찾아로도 제고에 계신분에 소수기 가살루그레 마가살루그 말에 톱차베젤라 톱사데 먼저 숑지고레 먼저 우치지고레 자자 디 임바인디 디 마제나 가르치기로 했으나 먼저 주시도 오르바 먼저 카페네 탑주 지야디 제가 보기 전에 파샤 민치도네 아니 나라서 도스토시네 셰데니까 빌라 제자 아니 이게 누가디 시비지게 터도도 누가디 냠도도 제자 디임바인데 누가디 실지 제로치레스 어디 아니 디리치 실지 중소한 대단체네 패키지 되는 실차 치서 다시 한번 거기 조회해서 돼야 말 디리치 슈네 상마 아니 드린 고급 디지 슈네 남주 다 이렇게 통도라지 시기에 기제시에 가부에 신도에 이내게 다리데 미만 티시 망고주 점샤 아니 디 얘기 마시아데 파산 남다 주민기 셰샤바이 디 인벤디 세모 고모 니에샤다 만디고 디 인바이네 다가라는 사람이 곧 나가서 그래서 처음에 시에서 쓰는 공부시니 사실은 뭔가 말에 전산지나는 나슈에 아니 저 단위 저도 타면들라 나 배다 미신이네 전산 디인데 내버도 먼저 이쪽 가리 이미라 맞게 되더라 아니 저 지금 가시기 아니 다 단위 좀 만들고 전산 도자 지기 나로지 Thank
you, Mr. Chimirinzala. Teacher.